Krishna. Welcome to our channel Ride with Kittu. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now I am traveling on the Godavari River Bridge. This ride I am doing today is from my hometown Godavarkani to the nearest state Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is a heavily forested state in central India known for its temples and waterfalls. The first place we reach in Chhattisgarh is Dantewada. Dantewada is about 261 kilometers from Godavarikani. This ride is completely close to nature in the dense forests, the temples that are part of our culture. Let's try to learn about their importance. To reach Dantewada, one has to travel another 212 kilometers. To get from Godavarkani to Dantewada, one has to travel some distance in the middle of Maharashtra. This is the border of Telangana and Maharashtra. The bridge over the Godavari river borders the two states. This is the border between Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. The bridge over the Indravati river, which borders Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, is 55 kilometers across the Godavari river in front of Sironcha, a village in Maharashtra on the Telangana-Maharashtra border. Now we have entered Chhattisgarh. Bhupalapatnam in Chhattisgarh can be reached by travelling 5 kilometers across the Indravati river bridge at Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh border. Formerly part of Madhya Pradesh, it was granted statehood on November 1, 2000. Its capital city is Raipur. It is the 9th largest state and 17th most populated state in the country. The state was formed by the partition of 10 Chhattisgarh and 6 Gondi speaking districts in the southeast of Madhya Pradesh. Currently it comprises 32 districts.
बैक चेक करो, टायर के अंदर जा रहा है, राइट साइड।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Chhattisgarh is one of the fastest developing states in India, a resource-rich state. Chhattisgarh provides electricity, coal and steel to the rest of the nation.
एक्सक्यूज, रोड कैसे है?
कहाँ जाना है?
दंतेवाड़ा।
थोड़ा दूर है, 7 किलोमीटर। थोड़ा खराब है ऐसी, घाटी उतरने के बाद ठीक है, बढ़िया।
5-6 किलोमीटर।
हाँ 6-7।
ओके, थैंक यू।
हाँ बढ़िया है रोड।
या
Finally, we reached Dantewada. The time now is 4:30 p.m. We booked a room in Hotel Anurag in advance to stay here, so we came to the hotel directly. Let's rest today and go to the nearby Danteshwari Mata temple tomorrow morning. Now we are going to Danteshwari Mata temple. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel before going to the temple. It is now 9 o'clock in the morning, but mostly there is no traffic overcrowding. Danteshwari Mata temple is one of the 52 Shaktipeethas in India. The temple was generally built by the Chalukyas king of South India in the 14th century. Dantewada's former name was Tarlabaram. The name Dantewada is derived from the fact of Danteshwari Mata resided in the area during the Kakatiya period. This deity is a caste deity for the people of Bastar district. This mandapa was built by Raja Annamadevudu in the year 1100. According to the legend, the temple got its name from the fact that Danteshwari Mata Shaktipita was established here due to the location of the place where the teeth of goddess Sati fell during the Satyayuga. Goddess Sati committed self-sacrifice in the fire pit of Yagnakud due to an insult committed by her father Daksha towards her consort Lord Shiva during the Yagna. Triggered by the death of Sati, Lord Shiva destroyed the Yagna of Daksha and with the body of Sati in his hands started to do Tandava. Lord Vishnu cut the dead body of goddess Sati with his Sudarshana Chakra to free Lord Shiva from the grief caused by her death. Parts of the dead body of goddess Sati were scattered to 52 different places which were consecrated as Shaktipeethas. This black stone is thousands of years old, very ancient. In ancient times, this temple was the center of tantric worship. This stone was used for human sacrifice. The idol of Danteshwari Mata is carved out of black stone. The Dasara festival held here has a history of 500 years. Every year during the Dasara, thousands of tribals from surrounding villages and jungles gather here to pay homage to the goddesses. When ancient idol was taken out of the temple and then taken around the city, the temple is divided into 4 parts such as Garbhagruha, Mahamandapa, Mukhya Mandapa and Sabha Mandapa. Garbhagruha and Mahamandapa were constructed with stone pieces. There is a Garuda pillar in front of the entrance of the temple. The belief of the people here is that when the pillar is held back with both hands, the desires of the mind are fulfilled if both hands touch each other. Mata Mauli Mandir. This temple is also worshipped in the same way as the Danteshwari Mata temple. If you proceed along this path, you will first come across the Shankni and Dankni rivers and their union. The waters of the Shankni and Dankni rivers are separated and of different colors and meet at this place. The two rivers flow together from here and meet in the Indravati river. The temple itself is located in spacious courtyard surrounded by massive walls. The Shikara is adorned with a sculptural finery. Danteshwari Mata temple darshan is over. Now we have to go Dolkal Ganesh. I spoke to a local guide to go to Dolkal Ganesh temple. He said he would meet outside the Danteshwari Mata temple.
क्या
Walking to hip is go back, 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 back.
Big Dog.
We have now reached the Dolkal Ganesh trekking base point.
My name is Meg Prakash Sirpa. I am a tribal and a local tourism promoter, and we provide the local tribal homestay. Here, this place we call the Dholkal Ganesha, and trekking start point from Haraspal village. So come and join us. There are lots of places in Dantewada apart from the Dholkal trek: Barsur, Sadar, Handawada, Muchanar, Fulpad, and Danteswari temple is also a beautiful place for the visit. Just come here and see the beauty of dense forest of Dantewada and the Dholkal trek.
का टाइम कितना लगता है जाने के आने के लिए?
चलने के ऊपर
हाँ, चलने के ऊपर
जी
कितना टाइम लगता है?
टैक्सी चलोगे 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा मतलब आने जाने में 1-2 घंटा
खत्म हुआ? नो प्रॉब्लम.
It takes about 3 hours to get there and back, an hour and a half to go, an hour and a half to arrive.
थोड़ा 3 पार चलोगे तो 2 या 3 घंटा लगेगा.
हाँ.
It can take a maximum of 3 to 4 hours. There are two temples above. One is Dolkal Ganesh and the other is Lord Surya. Let's see how the two temples are. The locals believe that an aggressive battle took place between Ganesha and Parshurama. The Parshurama attacked Ganesha with his axe. That axe is also known as Parsha. This forest border village is called Parshpal because Parsha fell here when attacked. Although the tribes worship Ganesha all year around, a special festival is held here between the month of January and February. We have come so far through. Walk another 30 minutes to reach the top. The same way when coming back, but may not be so tiring. Did we mention that there was a war between Ganesha and Parshurama? To commemorate the war, the kings of the Chandrak Nagavamshi dynasty erected the statue of Ganesha on the hill in the 11th century. The name Dolkal comes from the fact that the hill is in the shape of a dholak, musical instrument. In 2017, the statue suddenly disappeared. While locals and police were searching the area around the hill, they found fragments of a shattered statue of Ganesh lying in the valley. A team of archaeologists has unearthed about 60 pieces of the statue, which have been re-erected at the site. The temple of Lord Surya is located on another hill adjacent to the hill of Ganesh. There is no idol of Lord Surya there at present, but a Shivalinga has been set up. This place has a uniqueness. I will try to explain it. The place is bordered by Dantewada and Jagdalpur districts. Devotees visiting Dholkal Ganesha used to plant the leaves of the tree at this place on their way back or forth. The trekking base point is about 3.5 kilometers to the right from this place. That means it falls into Dantewada district. Dholkal Ganesh can be reached by going half kilometer on the left. The place falls under the Jagdalpur district. Dholkal Ganesh is located in the Jagdalpur district and the only way to reach it is from Dantewada. It is now 3:30 pm. It took us exactly 3 hours and 15 minutes to get there. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.